Here is a question for today. Let's try to solve the following fractional equation. And since we can factorize the denominator, why don't we rewrite the equation first? So 3x over x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 over 2x minus 3 and x plus 1. This is how we factorize the denominator part. And to solve the fractional equation, we have to multiply those two parts into 2x minus 3 and x plus 1. By multiplying those, we can get rid of the denominator part. Then we get 3x bracket 2x minus 3 equals to x minus 2. Expand the bracket, then 6x squared minus 9x equals to x minus 2. Rearrange the equation, then 6x squared minus 10x plus 2 equals to 0. Since we cannot factorize the following equation, why don't we use the quadratic formula? So x equals to 10 plus minus root minus 10 to the square minus 4 by 6 by 2 over 2 by 6. Simplify those, then we get 10 plus minus 100 minus 48 over 12. So simplify, then 10 plus minus root 52 over 12. So the x result is equal to 10 plus root 52 over 12, which is equal to 1.43. And the other value is 10 minus root 52 over 12, which is equal to 0.232. So this is the result of today's question. Subscribe and keep preparing your exams with me.